Let me ask you a question. What does $100 a week look like to you? Grocery trips, pizza night, fancy coffee on the way to work. It feels like money that just slips through your fingers, doesn't it? Most people underestimate how powerful small, consistent amounts can become. They see it as spending, not as a life-changing tool. What if I told you putting aside just $100 every week could be the single most important financial decision you ever make? Not a get-rich-quick scheme, a get-rich-for-sure plan. We've been told wealth needs a huge income or luck. That's a lie. The truth, anyone can build a massive nest egg with discipline and time. Teacher, truck driver, nurse. The math is the same for everyone. That $100 isn't just money, it's a seed. Plant it right, and given time, it becomes an oak tree of wealth. 100 a week is roughly 14 a day, a manageable step. Alright, let's talk about the secret sauce. The eighth wonder of the world. It's a concept called compound interest. It's actually very simple. When you invest, you hope to earn a return. Interest. With compounding, you don't just earn on your original money. You earn interest on the interest you've already made. Your money starts working for you, then the money it earns also works for you. Your interest starts making its own interest. Imagine $1,000 earns 10% in a year. That's $100. Now you have $1,100. Next year, 10% on $1,100 is $110. Now $1,210. It builds on itself, slow at first, then it accelerates into an unstoppable force. Broke people work for their money, wealthy people have their money work for them. Every dollar saved is like an employee working 24/7. Those new dollars get hired too. Your financial army grows. Investing $100 every week keeps sending in fresh recruits. Not hot picks, disciplined deposits into good growth stock mutual funds over many years. I love the snowball metaphor for compound interest. Your first $100 investment is tiny. You give it a push. At first, it's not impressive. The first year or two of investing can feel underwhelming. You wonder, is this really working? Most people get discouraged and quit. Wine done dormon in trans. Wine doaba. Chai bodasto dorio added jodo adding another $100 every single week. Each pass, more sticks. Growth compounds, then growth stops being slow, it accelerates. Soon, momentum does the work. After 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, the snowball becomes a boulder. The final year's gain can exceed your entire balance after